What's up, YouTubers, market participants, and day traders? You just stumbled upon my channel where I'm going to review my day trades daily. So if you're new to the game, you're struggling to make money, and you got a small account, you found your boy. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Definitely join the family because AKA Will the Wise, AKA Will the Market, and AKA your boy are here. Let's jump into these trades. Hey, what up, YouTubers, market participants, and day traders? It's your boy Will the Wise / Will of the Market, and in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about respect your time frame. It is 7/19, Friday, Good Friday. Let's get it started. So, honestly, today I had a stellar day, but oh my God, I let a few plays get away from me and kind of sulked and made myself upset. But let's go through the process because I was on a whale today and it was insane, and then also took a loss that I shouldn't have taken. I was actually up, if you can see Microsoft, if you would take out Microsoft, I would be up on the day like to 260 on the day, right, if I took Microsoft out, and I just took a whole hit on that. But nonetheless, we are okay. So position size per page we want to keep in mind is going to be the 284, right? So let's go ahead. So the first 284, so I was in great realm for the first trade here, but I had the wrong idea. So this is why this episode is called Respect Your Time Frame. I took trades based off of the 30-minute and the 1-hour chart, which basically means the next candle's not going to form for another 30 minutes and the next candle's not going to form for another hour. Why would I go into daily contracts? It's Friday. Why would I go into contracts that expire by the end of the day on a 30-minute hour time frame? So basically, I used the 30-minute and the hour time frame incorrect today. I could have, this is still a good chart for Microsoft to the upside, correct? The first hour or 30 minutes was banging, right? Super bullish momentum. Even the next 30 minutes said, I don't know where we're going. Then that next 30 minutes gave us the okay, right? So that's kind of when I added the last contract, you can see. But like I said, it's still flagging in this pattern right here. On the 30-minute chart. So if we're flagging in 30 minutes, we're not going to get no breakout anytime soon. So what did all of my contracts do? All three of them, they went to $1. And that's where my mistake is stemming from, right? What would have been best was to have a stop right here on these stocks right here. So this is where I added up over here on this candle, right, to go to the upside, which was fair. Power bar, another good bar, consolidation. We have the green over here getting ready to take out the red. Boom, takes out the red on the finishing candle, dive in, right? Good play. Good play. I didn't add here to keep going up, which is what the intention would have been, but I was still focused on the 30-minute chart over here, and that's what ultimately got me. I should have been in this position here, out of this position here, didn't work, and then there was no play, and then there was absolutely no play. Should have been clear cut throat, just like that, and that's what got me. And then I'm sitting through all of this crap all the way till 2:24. Way too long. From 11 o'clock the last time I added to 2:24. This will never happen again. I was trying to find the whale, right? But the first signs of a whale is that we're in profits. That's what I need to understand, is the first sign of a whale is that we're in profits. Okay, so I need to remember that, need to stay to it, and need to make sure I try to get that next whale. So let's go ahead and move on. Honestly, without these mistakes, today would have been incredible, absolutely incredible. Here is another mistake, a small mistake I made. I bought in, so this was a loss of $66.07, right? So 2 contracts, a little bit higher on the platform, higher on the scale, right? So no room to add. That was my position size. And then I get in at 9:38:21, right? So I have 1:39 left till this bar closes right here, till this bar closes. Look what happened. Look what it looks like at close. It's an undecided candle. It's an undecided candle at close. A minute, at 38 minutes, it looked like we were going down. And as you can see, this is where I bought in. But I bought in not even at the end of the candle. So this is what happened. It reverted. So this would have been a clear sign of, I'm not touching this. Right? I got in by accident. And before you know it, this flopped right back up and killed my 20% on that contract quickly. Getting me out, trigger was stopped, good loss. I'll take it every day. Next play, another mistake on Tesla. These 2 mistakes here, ridiculous, right? And let's go through the play, right? So once again, I literally, because of those 7 seconds, they knocked me out. It looked like it went down, then it jumped back up. Then I jump in again, just for it to shoot back up and say we're undecided again. Just for it to shoot back up and say we're undecided again. In those last 12 seconds, or in that last, I guess probably in this last minute, because 8 seconds until the minute. So in that last minute, it shot all the way back up again. Wait for these candlesticks to close. We need to wait. I'm going to start waiting until I get to like the 45-second mark to the last. I'm going to start waiting till the last 15 seconds of each candle. Literally, that is the game plan. Would have saved myself money here, and guess what happened? Can you guess it? My next trade, I finally hit Tesla right, and look at the payout. Look at the payout. I jump in here, 2 seconds left for this bar. It's not changing its nature. 2 seconds left. Boom, I'm in right here at this bottom. Gives me a little bit of profit. This shoots up, doesn't come to my stop. This bar forms. I'm like, all right, that's perfect. This bar starts forming. As soon as this comes and hits this green, as soon as we take out this green level, bam, I added another contract at the 160 mark. Then in this same bar, so this is where I got a little jumpy. In this same bar, I sold one at the 185, which technically would have been fine because that's 20%, and that's the first push. Boom, here's the second push. So the first 2 that I got rid of here, I should have saved one and had one contract out here. And then my third contract should have been out here. I should have had this stop right in the middle. Well, then it would have stopped that out. Well, no, I could have just hung out up here, right? So I'm gonna hang out up here. Doesn't get there. We come down to this one. Now I'm hanging out here. So I should have been stopped out of here. Whatever the price was here, I should have been stopped out. I could have considered that as another push right there. To be honest, at the end of this candle, I could have gotten out for that last one. Total different trade, and that's kind of just the general idea of where I'm getting at with my trades is I need to better understand the power of the trade and the power of the momentum. But finally, I hit Tesla right, executed it greatly, not perfectly, but greatly. And look at that, $219 on the wind of that. Like I missed the 66 and the 77. So if you take those out of the equation, Tesla would have been, and I would have more buying power to actually take trades that I actually saw and liked, and I would have had a better day. But it is what it is. Next trade, coin. Coin was where the whale is. I don't know if you guys are looking at the market or if you saw Coinbase today move. Oh my God, Coinbase went to the moon, right? So this contract that I sold for 360, probably at the time of the recording was like 1,500. So basically $166 into 1,500. Oh my God, that would have been the play today. That would have been the play today, right? So perfect. I love this. This definitely should have been the goal today. Nonetheless, I still took a really good trade. It was a little sloppy, and then we'll kind of get into why. So I got in at the start of this candle, 30 seconds into the start of this candle. The perfect entry would have been at this end of this candle. That would have been the perfect entry. Boom, hit that. And this is actually where my ad should have been. I waited for this candle to close. It didn't do much. It came back down, pushed back in. Then over this, even if I would have waited to the end of this candle, I could have just punched it hard. And then technically I was in here. So this is 1 push, 2 push, 3 push. And then I took profit here. It wasn't the worst of profits. That's still a magnificent 100%er, right? 166 times 2. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was still 1, 2, 3 pushes. Perfect, right? But yeah, what a day. On to the last part of the lesson. I was able to complete it. I stuck to the 5-minute chart and probably never going back to the 2-minute chart. Not for a while. Just because I really want to start seeing my gangs pile up, and 5-minute chart gets it done, right? 5 minutes happens all the time. Wait for a 5-minute chart. Boom, off to the races. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.